MLA R.K. Anand says government should identify those who are spreading misinformation about the three bills and punish them accordingly. MLA Karam Sham says those who want to honestly serve the people should start with grassroots level. And timely check for increasing number of unauthorized hostels and boardings in the state mooted at Children's Meet. A very good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Shalabdi Toism with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Congress MLA R.K. Anand today opined that the government should identify those persons who are spreading misinformation about the three bills passed by the Assembly and punish them accordingly. Speaking at the first Foundation Day of Nupi Samaj Welfare Association at Langthabal Puramakhong Community Hall, R.K. Anand maintained that tribal ministers and MLAs were among those who passed the three bills in the Assembly. He asked whether they are insisting that they are not their representatives. He maintained that the Hill Area Committee did not oppose the bills do not affect the interests of the Hill people. R.K. Anand said it is unfortunate that a state should interfere in another state affairs when there is federal structure and it should be condemned by all.
Kanakana Mission now in the source and put the Twiva, they the music disturbance, ma'am, lady, hesitation, lady, Kuri ma'am, sing, Masiki basis lady, have it. It's very unfortunate. Kanakanagun Masiki and Sidil Lali, Masisi interest sway. Hilarious committee to Torami Toram de Guy Wapam Mamsi Putoku Taragadi. I'm sorry, Masi Chow minimum money and hiring Masi Loinama. It was placed in the public domain. How she procedure have the rules lazy, Masida refer to Godam Neva Madugi Canulati, mandatory Wapam the Tiaduna refer to Tabani, Singi over any interest of the schedule matters in a lay. Adusiam Claykani Masida, Sina touched out Dragadi. Hilarious committee refer to Matau. One simple question I hung said, Singi, still now in the Purukurim hung said. Ngasi Manipur Assembly the Pamiba Nagani Hajarim Mayam, Kugini Hajar to want of a fruit Hajarim Mayam. Ngasi Minister Mayam sing say Makoi representative, not the bribe of weapons.
Here is an important announcement. The telephone number of Manipur Fire Service 101 is out of service. People are requested to contact mobile number 8415925200 in case of fire. I repeat the mobile number 8415925200. United People Front has condemned the Rajya Sabha MP from Nagaland, Kekhi Ho Zimomi, for his statement that if the government gives assent to the three bills passed by the Manipur Assembly, Manipur will be in turmoil. UPF also accused the chief ministers of Nagaland and Mizoram of trying to destroy the integrity of Manipur. People in Churchandpur today form a human chain from Kangwai to Lamka District Hospital to protest the three bills passed by the State Assembly. They also launched a signature campaign. The protesters will hold sit-in and prayer meetings in the evening. JCILP's convener in charge, Ratan Khondram, said Manipur is reeling under terrible deadlock as some vested interested are spreading venom. Speaking at an event held in connection with dissolutioned ILPS Relief Committee at Jennings Auditorium, Ratan said ILPS movement began in 2012 and got momentum after Sapam Robin Hood died on July 8. After 2 months of first agitations, government passed the three bills. However, under the influence of false propaganda, agitation against the three bills started in the hills, especially Churchandpur, where 9 people died. Terming the incident as unfortunate, Ratan maintained that JCILPS condoled the death of 9 lives. Asserting that it was not the first time, Ratan said unrest in some parts of Manipur occurred in the afternoon of June uprising 2001 due to false propaganda. It is now time to find those who are trying to create division among the many communities living in the state. Director Jennings, CMO Imphal East, President Relief Committee JCILPS were among those who attended the event.
Tuhan masih secara kan Tuhan hasil kata jika kita mengkumpulkan sebenarnya harus susah begitu mbak bisa melakukan sih gitu dia kasihan rumah itu mengkumpulkan itu kalau aku jadi nggak masih pun lagi namanya nggak masih tapi aku mbak bisa ada sama namanya maka yang satu sekian hasil kata hukum apa kata oh ya ini satu.
Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh T.H. Jadumani has been released on bail by the CJM Imphal West R.K. Memcha today. He was ordered to deposit Rs 30,000 as surety bond by the court. Jadumani was arrested by police on the 17th of this month following a complaint lodged by Deluxe Ilangbam with the police. The woman in her complaint alleged that Jadumani assaulted her in front of the BJP office when she asked him to return Rs 3 lakh which he allegedly took from her. He was produced in the court of the CJM Imphal West today. The charge against Jadumani could not be proved in the court. A powerful IED exploded this morning around 5:20 at Moirangkom, Sawaijem Leirak Machin under Imphal West Police Station. The blast occurred next to wall of the house of Laishra Madhumangol. Even though there was no human casualty, the blast destroyed some portion of the wall, window panes and 2 cars parked inside the building. Laishra Madhumangol served in the SSB and similar blasts occurred in 2009 as well. A police team led by additional SO Operation Imphal West Police Bikramjit rushed to the spot. No one has so far claimed the responsibility of the blast. Langthabal MLA Karam Shyam today maintained that persons who want to sincerely and honestly serve the people should start with the grassroots level. In his speech at the 2-day orientation training program on management and development of public libraries in Manipur at Manipur Press Club, the MLA emphasized the role of libraries in the development of a society. He said to make the library movement successful, the youth in every locality should be made aware of the importance of libraries. Karam Shyam also released a Mala newsletter on the occasion and contributed Rs 10,000 to Mala. The 2-day training program was hosted by Manipur Library Association, Mala under the sponsorship of Raja Ram Mohan Roy Libraries Foundation, Kolkata and Ministry of Culture, Government of India.
Anti Toriba Supate, Razaku Hamu Boy, the system changes, total send them of the Manipur say, any understanding like a government of Wakanda Maduki, Nungyo Wakalon, Maduki importance, Adunta, Dimaki, Kamuki, Chati, Wakalon, the person of the government Manipur say, the Kangkong side is sustained among the the young intellectual circle, the natural people of the Wakanda.
Union Sports Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has accused the former Thongju MLA T.H. Biswajit that a new multi-sports complex will be constructed in Thongju constituency, Imphal East. In the press release, T.H. Biswajit said the assurance was given to him after he convinced Sports Minister about the need for a multi-sports complex to provide sport activities and practices to people living in remote and hill areas. Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights Chairperson S. Sarat Kumar insisted on timely check of increasing numbers of unauthorized hostel and boarding in the state. Speaking at the 6th Annual Children's Meet 2015 held at Lamyanba Sanglen Palace compound, S. Sarat Kumar said many crimes took place against children below 18 years at hostels and boardings and also opined for registration of such hostels and boardings under Juvenile Justice Board and thorough check of the facilities available. The meet was inaugurated with children of Children Home Terra singing the welcome song. Gifts were also presented to children who came from various children homes. The The cultural meet organized Manipur Alliance for Child Rights under the theme Ensure Flourishing Childhood for Peace and Harmony was attended by children from all districts except Tamenglong. Children from different districts performed cultural dance and song at the meet. A unit of AMSU for Ibotonsana Girls Higher Secondary School, Imphal, has been formed today. H. Pusparani Devi was elected president, while C.H. Memaka Devi was elected general secretary. Kongba branch of Student Union of Kangleipak SUK has also been formed. Indo-Myanmar Fraternal Alliance President R.K. Shivachandra said External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj has not only given approval for the construction of Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Center for Indo-Myanmar relations in Imphal, but also assured that all possible help will be extended. Speaking to media persons at his house, Shivachandra said Manipur will be an important center for trade and route for travel and transportation between India and Southeast Asian countries. He said establishment of such a center in Manipur will be beneficial for the people. A team of Indo-Myanmar Fraternal Alliance went to Delhi on the 17th of this month and submitted a memorandum containing 10 points to External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj.
Suyona Manipur gi ngasi tangdu laita draba matam ngasi Indo-Myanmar Fraternal Alliance na kari gi office hangbi wakalon Southeast Asia gi wakalon sida sida yamna mapung oina thammino hype targadi akhoi gi laibak sida economy gi asoba impact ama ipiba tangai fadabara haiba sei khanjai India government na Manipur da thadarak ba senthang du khatang ngai ba nataba Myanmar na kainariba tongan ba border da laiba lamsing sida kanariba Sumai tawna Manipur da su kanana ba asoba economy gi impact ama khoi da pira kanda da ngasi sarang ba lairib se economy si sonandana lai tawrim ne se yam thina I thajai.
A free heart health camp for journalists was held today at Manipur Press Club. All Manipur Working Journalists Union, AMJO and Manipur Heart Foundation Sky Hospital jointly organized the camp. The hospital issued privilege health card to the members of AMJO. Managing Director of Sky Hospital, Dr. Shyam Kishore, said the privilege health card holders will be given 20% discount for their treatment at the Sky Hospital. He also said the hospital will provide free treatment to needy journalists from time to time. Free heart checkup and ECG were provided to the journalists at the camp. MJO President Wangkhemcha Syamjai appreciated the efforts of Sky Hospital to help the media persons in the state. It may be recalled that the hospital had already announced to award Rs 25,000 to the best reporter annually.
We are providing this free consultation with experienced cardiologists and free ECG, diabetes detection gi, blood sugar gi free taujari, free heart scan haidana koi gi ultrasound echocardiogram haidana koi sophisticated ni aduga madudeda if it is found something abnormal in any of these tests we'll take it further akoina madugi next week da free da mukshu will follow up to the extent that the problem will be sorted out. Long term ki dana hujiki amjugi members in the card ama bijaraga adugi for the outpatient treatment either diagnostic tests hospital charges OT operation charges all 20% will be discounted.
Mayang Imphal Unit Congress Committee and People Pioneer Club felicitated Huidrom Dayananda, who bagged 4th position in the Agricultural Research Service Scientist examination conducted by Agricultural Scientist Recruitment Board. Huidrom Dayananda was presented with gifts at the event held at Mayang Imphal Huigam Yangbi Community Hall. Congratulating him on the success, Works Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar said the state will progress if all work hard like Huidrom Dayananda.
Masak naiba Kendrama, model loiba, assembly constituency ama, madu uihan ba se, ako'y kuding maki, madu ki mangjaba mangaman, sama mapungpa na madu, ako'y mangpaw na bangam dragasu, ako'y kasi mangpaw na ba se. Masi haur haidana thamjani yamna positive oiba madugi mai pak pagi madugi yamna numai ba akoida anga hogari ba hang singida masigi aizu masi dayamna na oigi basumaina oining magi wakhalama madubaina phone ba anga kudi ma hol prose masi na koi achumba lambi ma da koi je akoi sona koi kubi gi he se masi na tai
National Revolutionary Front Manipur has called for Manipur Band on September 21 against the merger agreement September 21, 1949. Publicity Secretary of the Front, Sana Jawba Maitai, in a press release said the cause of turmoil and unrest in Manipur is the Manipur Merger Agreement Day. However, medical, religious functions, water supply and electricity and media will be exempted from the ban. Mission Integrated Development Horticulture Manipur organized a one-day awareness program on cultivation of horticulture crops to improve the economic condition of the people yesterday at Thawal Kiam Sifai Babu Bazar. Experts spoke on the nursery management of fruit crops, advances in integrated pest management on fruit crops, approaches for organic production in horticulture crops, etc. 70 persons selected from Thawal district took part in the program. In protest against the ban on taking sand from Sikong Muslim to Ingorok River by JAC for protection of Sikong Sekmai Ingorok River since September 14th, a protest rally was taken out yesterday. Nongpok Sekmai police prevented the rallies from proceeding further. Later, JAC and laborers held a negotiation inside the police station. An agreement was reached between Haibok Ningthau Haibok Laima Committee and Salai Nongdon Angamba Lai Committee on the incident that occurred at Langthabal Haibok Ningthau Haibok Laima Palem Panthogi Laiphamland on September 14. Speaking to media at the House of Self-Styled Government A. Sushil Kumar at Singjamai Bhagapati Laikai, President of Salai Nongdon Angamba Lai Committee Oinam Surendrajit said the September 14 incident occurred due to communication gap and an understanding was reached on September 15. Both Haibok Ningthau Haibok Laima Committee and Salai Nongdon Angamba Lai Committee also mutually agreed upon to avoid such incident in future. A boat race will be held at Salampat in Lamlai on the 24th of this month. Advisor of Ima Imoinu Thaugal Kanglop, Sagolsem Gambhir, told Impact News that the boat race is being held in connection with Hairu Hidongba to promote the old tradition of the people and encourage the sportspersons of Manipur. He said they are organizing the race for the third time. 16 Pana will compete in the race. Now the sports news. YOSC Khurai beat ABA Khetrigao 4-1 in today's first leg of Maharaj Kumar Ganendrajit Memorial Super Division Football League tournament. Mayo Singh scored 2 goals while Kasung and Taringam netted 1 goal each for the winners. The solitary goal for ABA Khetrigao was scored by Ahar. In the second leg, SAK Yumnam Khunau and Upa Kamgai were drawn 0-0. The tournament is organized by Imphal East District Football Association as Social Workers Congress Common Ground. 11-star Su Akampat will meet KIYC Khetri Iril Mapal in tomorrow's first leg, while PYA Kairang meet Nipso Kaibi in the second leg. In a league match of the 22nd L. Sangita Devi Memorial First Division Football League Tournament, CHIKL Chazing beat PHLYO Thangmaiband by a lone goal. El Apik scored a single goal. In the second leg, Wafa Wangoi dropped Sai RC Takel 6-1. Wafa Wangoi's TH Yaifaba netted 3 goals while W Iboyama and Baleshwar and TH Hemba scored 1 goal each. Sai RC Takel's solitary goal was scored by Omesh. Nisha Thangmaiban defeated Trukpu Nambol 2-0 in a league match of the 10th Manipur State League played today at Mapal Kangjebung, Imphal. KH Nauton and El Sanatomba netted the winning goals for the winners. Falguni of Nisa and Mairaba and Indrajit of Trukpu were shown yellow cards for their unsporting behavior. In another match, AIM Kabam beat Nako Nambul Mapal 2-0. Opilar and Pritam scored the winning goals for AIM. Pritam of AIM and KH Milan of Nako were given yellow cards in the match. In the last league match of the third Koijam Yaima Singh Memorial Kendra Wise League Cum Knockout Kang tournament played today, Khundrakpam Kendra Kangkhut beat Sogolban Kendra Kangkhut 1915. The tournament is organized by Ibudhau Wangren Khana Chauba Kang Committee at Uchekon Laikon Kang Sang. The quarter-final matches will begin from the 21st of this month. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. MLA R.K. Anand says government should identify those who are spreading misinformation about the three bills and punish them accordingly. MLA Karamchand says those who want to honestly serve the people should start with grassroots level. And timely check for increasing number of unauthorized hostels and boardings in the state suited at children's needs.